Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide and a beginner guide on how you can easily use Photoleap. So to get started, Photoleap remain one of the easiest and powerful video editors app in 2025, especially for creative influencers or beginners. To get started, simply download it from your app store and upload a photo or pick a stock image. The interface is user-friendly. You will see a quick access tools like AI background removal, AI replacer, and text to image. You can remove object, swipe skits, or even generate creative events using AI with just a few taps. Everything happens in real time and the edit look professional without needing any foreign design. Once your image is loaded, you can add filters, adjust colors, stack layouts, insert text or the animation to bring your photos to life. The drag and drop layouts make advanced edit simple. Even for beginners, you can just do everything within a single space. When you are done, just hit export to save in HD or share straight to social media platform. While the free version offer enough for basic edit, upgrading to Pro unlock premium AI tools, HD quality export, and more creative features. Overall, Photoleap is one of the best mobile editors in 2025, fast, creative, and beginner friendly. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this photo editing platform. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.